In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order number on Squarespace. This is a handy skill for those managing their own e-commerce site on this popular platform, and it can help to keep your transactions organized and running smoothly. Let's get started. First and foremost, make your way to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, it's time to gain access to your account. Look for the login button and give it a click. Squarespace provides several ways to log in, but for today we're going to focus on using Google to streamline the process. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. At this point you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Click on the one you use for Squarespace. It's essential to keep your business and personal accounts separate, so hopefully you're already doing that. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website's management area. Squarespace does a great job of keeping things straightforward. Here's a quick tip. Bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to find and click on Settings. This area is where you can control almost every aspect of your Squarespace site, so familiarizing yourself with this section can be very beneficial. Next, we're diving into the Selling section. This is where Squarespace keeps all the e-commerce related settings. It's straightforward, but if you're new, take a moment to explore and see what all you can control from here. After clicking on Selling, look for Checkout. This is specifically where you can manage how transactions are processed on your site. As an online business, customizing your checkout can enhance your customer's experience, so it's worthwhile understanding the options available here. Now for the main event, changing your Squarespace order number. Once in the checkout section, you'll find an option labeled Next Order Number. This feature is incredibly useful for businesses looking to maintain a particular order numbering system. Whether you're starting out or need to change the sequence for operational reasons, this is where you can set that next order number. Enter the number you wish to start from next, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your order number on Squarespace. This small change can help you keep track of orders more efficiently and maintain a sense of order within your business operations. Before we wrap up, here's a final piece of advice. Always make sure to save your changes before leaving the page. Squarespace usually prompts you to save, but it's good practice to double check. Thanks for joining me today. Whether you're just getting started with Squarespace or fine-tuning your e-commerce setup, I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your Squarespace site effectively.